Though you have little strength, you have never denied my name. There have been situations where I have been in and it's like, dang, this is so terrible. I'm still in the back like praying like, okay, God, I don't know what lesson you want me to learn out of this, but this is really bad. Kids my age, we're kind of easily influenced by the world and by what's going on and by what he said and she said and what they're doing. And hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is a brand new channel now. Okay, I still have some videos up, but basically from here on out I'm going to be a Christian YouTuber. Is that what you call it? I basically had no one or nowhere to talk about God with, like around my age. I do have some Christian friends, but I don't know if they want to actually just talk about him all the time. So this is what I'm going to use my channel for. You guys are all my new friends, and we can talk about God together. I want to start off today by just reading off this. Oh my gosh. I just lost my page. No, I didn't. I want to start off by reading this quote that I found. Amazing quote by C.T. Studd. It says, "There is only one life. 'Twill soon be past. Only what's done for Christ will last. Only one life. 'Twill soon be past. Only what's done for Christ will last." So we only live one life, which goes by very fast. Only what we have done to get closer, to get that relationship back with God, is what truly matters. I think I talk about this in my video titled, "Will This Matter When I'm Dead?" The Bible verse that I want to... my computer's about to die. The verse I want to talk about today is Revelation chapter 3, verse 8. Sorry if you can like see a stain on my hoodie. I'm over it. I'm over it. This is my Bible, by the way. It's just a pink King James Version Bible, fake leather, you know. Revelation chapter 3 verse 8 says, "I know thy works. Behold, I have set before thee an open door, and no man can shut it. For thou hast a little strength, and hast kept my word, and hast not denied my name." I love this verse because of the whole door situation. Any door that we shut cannot be opened again by anybody. Any door that's open for us will not be closed by anybody. I feel like a lot of us have these worries about our future and about our dreams and stuff failing. But the thing is, if God has set that before you, because he doesn't just do that for no reason, if he has set this on your mind and you're constantly working towards it, why are you worried about it? Because it says that the door has already been opened, and when it's opened, when you have these opportunities and they're open to you, they cannot be shut down because it's finished. It's been written way before you were born. So relax. Like, relax. It's fine. Don't worry about it. And about the whole closing the door situation, this could mean a lot of things, but I don't know if it resonates with you guys, but if you've ever had like this, what do I want to call it? These experiences or situations where you have moved on, you've grown up, you've grown past the situations, and you've just closed the doors. And sometimes there are people that just like to bring it back up, the situations that you moved on from, they just want to bring it back up because for different reasons, because of unhealed trauma or like whatever reason they have, they won't be able to reach you because that door is already closed. If you know yourself and you know you've moved on, then what they do doesn't even matter, because we're obviously on two different places. We're obviously in two different places, two different realms, to be honest. So it's like, if it's already closed, it can't be opened again. And God said that though you have little strength, you have never denied my name. There have been situations where I have been in and it's like, dang, This is so terrible. There's never really been a moment in my life where I've completely denied his name, even in situations that were just terrible. I'm still in the back, like, praying, like, okay, God, I don't know what lesson you want me to learn out of this, but I'm trusting you, but this is really bad. This is really bad, but I don't know what you are doing, but I'm not doubting it because it is what it is. Jesus, take the wheel, you know? It's just situations like that I'm always just like, okay, God, this is your will, obviously, because it's happening. And, even in situations that have been bad, like, I look back on them and I'm like, I had to go through that. Like, I had to go through that. Otherwise, I don't think I would have changed, grown up, you know. It's just sometimes when you go through things like that, you have to try and figure out what the purpose of it was, you know. It's okay to try and figure that out, okay? Most of the time, there is a reason why you went through that. So, figure it out, and you will start to be more grateful about your experiences, even if they really hurt you, because I bet you learned something from it. Revelation chapter 3, verse 8 today. It's been on my mind for a while now. Honestly, by a while, I'll say about 2 days. But I've been thinking about it a lot, and it really hit home for me just to hear that, because worrying about a lot, future, I'm about to graduate college soon. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's fine because any and every opportunity that comes my way is an open door, and I should not worry about it because it's opened and it can't be closed. I want y'all to start thinking like me, okay? Start thinking like that. Cup half full, okay? No half empty, half full. Because there's always something you can learn from every situation. Because I'm gonna be honest, 20, we're kind of kids at the age of 20. Kids my age, we aren't really, we're kind of easily influenced by the world and by what's going on and by what he said and she said and what they're doing. And I am not the same person that I was 2 years ago, a year ago, yesterday. Like, we are constantly changing, but it's what we have done to strengthen our relationship with Christ that really matters. Like, when I do even the simplest things, I'm like, even this video, I'm like, will this matter? Surely it will, because I hope that it reaches out to someone my age who, you know, um, who needs to hear this message. There needs to be more, I guess you can say, representation in the young Christian community on YouTube, because there's not many of us. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to be uploading frequently now, because this is really what I want my channel to be now. Christian talk, Christian videos, because it just is natural for me to talk about, and I'm honestly a little nervous because I've never done this before. Besides my New Age to Christ video, that was my first ever like public hey, I'm a Christian. But yeah, it feels good. I'm feeling like I'm becoming more natural at speaking to the camera now. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have video requests, let me know. Prayer requests too, let me know in the comments. Thank you. I still don't know how to end my videos. Alright. Be blessed.